Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk only about total 2 chart. So total capitalization of crypto market exclude Bitcoin. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the main idea about a total 2 chart I posted in April. This one we come back and tested exactly this monthly favorable gap. So this was April. This was the top, and what we can't know the timing. So basically, of course, this is just a total chart, and we can't analyze like a basic chart, like a basic some coin. But I think if we analyze the global chart from the scratch, right? So this is March 14, when we start seeing some capitalization of top altcoins. I don't know how exactly the CoinMarketCap count, it's all capitalization of altcoins excluded Bitcoin, or it's just top 100 or top 125, right? So I can't know, need to Google it. But anyway, I think this is a chart of global one chart. This is a capitalization in January 18. The total capitalization was like 473 billion. So all capitalization of altcoins. Then it's accumulation. So like you remember, the big players needed time. So they needed time for accumulation. So if we use the FIB, here was a test with a COVID dump, was a test of 27 block. After that, we skyrocket to the top. If we use this FIB, so all FIB basically done, because we tested here 3.61, come back 1.61, forming the top, and I form the trend line like this one, touch. I think we will see the third touch. The third touch, I can't know the timing. I just mark, just hypothetical targets. It doesn't mean we should move like this parabolic. We can move like this one, for example. We can't know, right? So I just think we will see the capitalization around 3 trillion. So yes. So the capitalization of alts in November 2021 was here like 1.62 trillion. So yes, I think we will see a little bit higher, like this one, 74% more. Now we got more altcoins, more biggest project, right? So we got an ETF, maybe with a Ethereum ETF. We'll see this parabolic move, and it will be the global, let's go to the monthly time frame, a 3 drives pattern. What we can expect after that, I don't think so. We will move like this one. Hold the line, trade sometime, and going higher. No, I think after that, when we reach not exactly maybe 3 trillion, like round number, no, I think we can see something like 2.96 or so. After that, I think we'll drop like this one, sweep this low. Unfortunately. Yes, why? Because of regulation. A lot of project will be shut down, and basically it's good for industry in general. What will be with the meme coins is hard to say, so we will see how it goes. But now basically we close, it's a monthly time frame, like you can see, we close exactly. Let's hide this curve line. Take a look, it's just magic. We got a monthly gap, and we close exactly full fill. So it's kind of weird sometimes. We can delete this one. So basically this gap will close. The next one. So from June 2022 till breaking out of December 2023 and retest in January 2024, right? So we spent a lot of time here for accumulation alts. Altcoins, yes, still in accumulation. So we can find out the date range. So till retest is 579 days. I think everything going by playbook. So this is going to be the next sweep. Before election or after election, we will see the altcoin season. But not all altcoins will pump to new all-time highs. So just choose altcoins wisely and be careful. Next step is going to be the sweep of this high. And then we can see some area. Maybe we'll touch it here. I can't know. Maybe it's going to be the summer, or it can be the, I don't know, maybe let's say April, May 2025, or like 2.8 trillion. And after that, the long road down for the next 3 years. Yes, of course, it can be like not like crazy dump. No, I think it will be something like, for example, this one, 2.8, then bounce, not sweep the structure, and going down. So that's my take. I will share this idea on TradingView, so we can track it. With a line chart, if we use it on a weekly time frame, we use a magnet, we can find out the capitalization a little bit lower. So we can extend it right, like this one. So here, March 2025, 2.6 trillion. Yes, maybe we'll not touch the 3 trillion. And if it's October 2025, the capitalization, if we use the line chart, can be around 2.8 trillion. So it's hard to say how exactly to count correct by line chart or by weeks. Let's take a look with my custom indicator set. The biggest accumulation of altcoins been here in June 2022. So it's basically good. Without any divergences or so, we form just a healthy uptrend. So like this one. So we'll just accumulate it here. The biggest accumulation was here, September 2023, and accumulation now. So it's kind of interesting, right? And this is not a distribution. There's not a distribution on the weekly time frame. All right, got it. Take a look on divergency on a weekly time frame. If we use this one, so this is a top in, let's take a look, this one. Top in December 17, this one January 18. Top, another one, divergency, top, another one, but not new high. So yes, you understand, right? So we can form the new high like this one, lower than this one, and higher on the chart. It's going to be pure, biggest divergency ever, what you ever seen on total 2 and the monthly time frame. Take a look. We're ready in this process to form the biggest divergency ever. So this is accumulation. Take a look. This is the highest point. This is a lowest point, but higher on the chart. This is a lower on the chart and lower on the ADZ. Yes, we can form the lower one, like let's say like this one, and it can be, I don't know, maybe December 2025, May 2024. It's hard to say, right? And it can be the top on the chart. So that's the ADZ. Let's take a look on direction. Based on direction on a monthly time frame, no data. Based on weekly time frame, how it playing out on history. So this is the accumulation, biggest accumulation of alts. This is distribution. So step by step, the whales distribute their alts. Accumulation, December 2022, January 2023. This accumulation, this is distribution. Some of alts, of course, pump it. So the worst case scenario, of course, if we will not see the altcoin season, we're going down like this one. Of course, it's possible. So just in case, but I think we will see the move like this one and then down. We will see. Now, no new signal for accumulation. So this is what about the direction indicator, market mode, how it playing out on history. This is euphoria. This is a crazy euphoria. Now, market came down, and this is not an euphoria. Also, take a look. This was the great time for accumulation alts. So this one, this same period. Now after kind of euphoria, yes, we drop it down to trill zone, but not to some crazy madness. Also monthly time frame. Take a look. If we compare the cycles, so here is a January, December 2020, May 2021, pump, euphoria, correction, euphoria again. Now we didn't even see the euphoria like this one on the market mode. This is kind of interesting. That's why I don't think so. This is a top for alts and alt season. Monthly time frame. Take a look. Money outflow, money outflow, money outflow. Monthly time frame. Weekly time frame. Money inflow. So this was where the whales formed their average entry. Here's the money outflow. Now I would like to see the new money inflow into total 2 indicator. So let's add even alerts. Money inflow, like this one. Got it. Let's take a look on 2 less indicators. Trade on indicator on the weekly time frame. Here was a signal to sell at the top. Here's a take profit, close all. Basically, it's not like a short, but it's time to start accumulate. Stop selling your alts and start accumulate your alts. So buy signals. Here's some profit signal. Sell, and we can distribute. But take a look on history on a weekly time frame. We never seen the signal to buy. So it's kind of strong signal for accumulation. Now, this is weekly time frame. This week we got a signal to buy back. how it playing out on a history. We got buybacks during all this move from April 18 till COVID dump. And what happened next? Also, we got a buyback here, like significant signal for trend. And if we go to the months time frame, also what do we got here? Sell, buyback, sell, buyback. Buyback was in November 2023. Signal to sell, no new buyback on the months time frame. The last indicator is take profit. Months time frame, what I don't like, we tested the exit line and going higher. So the worst case scenario, if we're going to retest, once again, the exit line is 661 billion market cap. Buy line, I think we will come back later to test the buy line on the monthly time frame and on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's just a range. But like you can see, we didn't sweep this high. So we formed just equal highs. This is accumulation test of total fundamental value. Then bounce and going higher. So some alts pump it, but we didn't see the main altcoin season. So the buy line now on a weekly time frame, and I don't think so. We need to go and retest the buy line again, 470 billion. So I think we can go higher. And after that, go and retest the buy line. Buy line on the daily, now it's 696. And here's a take profit, 1,038,000,000. So I don't think so. The 1,038,000,000 will be the top, but we will see. So guys, my take, I explained it to you. Just be careful and invest wisely. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a total 2. If you would like to trade with my custom set what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.